7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blow it up, Rich!
That worked well.
There goes! Do we have your attention? That's called a straight pass. Look to the right. You like it so far?
That was awesome.
The sound is amazing coming off the trees a quarter-mile away. Rich Gibson is from Rockford, Illinois. Rich Gibson and his Killer Bees of Rich's Incredible Pyro won the award in 2003 at the International Council of Air Shows, the Art Scholl Memorial Showmanship Award. They have set a Guinness Book of World Records for the longest simultaneous wall of fire any place in the world, that record being 6,636 feet, certified by the Guinness Book of World Records. He uses a lot of gasoline and det cord. In his briefings, he says if anybody inadvertently lands in his pyro field, he says, don't step on anything that didn't grow.
Like a grill?
That's it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's